VHS tapes are deteriorating and becoming obsolete. Converting them to DVD preserves your precious memories while improving quality and making sharing much easier. VCR players are becoming increasingly scarce as production ended in 2016. Finding working equipment to play your old tapes is getting more difficult and expensive each year. Converting to DVD offers multiple benefits: better video and audio quality, easier storage and organization, simple sharing with family and friends, and protection from further degradation. To convert VHS to DVD at home, you need essential equipment. First, a working VCR to play your tapes. This is your source device for the analog video signal. Next, you need either a DVD recorder for direct recording or a video capture device that connects to your computer. The capture device method offers more flexibility for editing. You'll need RCA composite cables with red, white, and yellow connectors. Yellow carries video, while red and white carry stereo audio. These connect your VCR to the recording device. Finally, you'll need blank DVDs for recording. If using a capture device, having a computer with video editing software is optional but recommended for enhancing your converted videos. The conversion process begins with proper preparation. First, assess all your VHS tapes and check their condition for any damage or wear. Next, establish the physical connections between your VCR and recording device. Use RCA composite cables with yellow for video and red and white for audio channels. If using a video capture device connected to your computer, install the necessary capture software. This software will control the recording process and file format. Insert your VHS tape into the VCR and a blank DVD into the recorder. Start the recording function first, then press play on the VCR to begin the transfer process. After recording, you can optionally enhance your video using editing software. This allows you to trim footage, adjust colors, and add titles or chapters. Finally, if you captured the video on your computer, burn it to a DVD using DVD burning software. This creates your final playable DVD disc. Your VHS to DVD conversion is now complete. The process preserves your memories in a more durable digital format.